Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KTOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it is actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's first start by mapping out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $2.73. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above $2.73, that would be a huge sign of power, without question. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout area down there, and that sits at about $2.45. So again, $2.73, $2.45, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, and maybe you're somebody that's just saying, look, Clay, I just care about the grand scheme of it all. I just want a very cut and dry way to measure the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. So what's a very cut and dry way to do that? Again, big picture, use that purple line right there, the very famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher and higher. So as far as gauging the strength, easy way to do that, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are at full strength, full control, full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, if the price can stay up above 272, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. But as long as the price is above that purple line, then the trend is in the bull's favor, to the utmost potential. So what about levels of resistance though? For this, I'm actually going to go to a new time frame and go to the traditional daily time frame, just so we makes our lives a little bit easier in terms of seeing where these next potential areas of resistance may be. So let's see here. Oh, pretty much is broken through that. What is that point right there? $3.25. So in the very near term, $3.25, next key level of resistance after $3.25. Next key one up there at $3.50. So $3.25, $3.50, next two key levels of resistance. But at the end of the day, as long as the price just builds higher bases and continues to put in higher lows, then the uptrend is only going to strengthen and bring in that many more eyeballs, and that's what you want to see. So great day today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.